Alright, I'm going to walk through adding a category to AspDotNetStorefront. So categories are used to organize your products and group your products together. We've got a few already on the site and we're going to add one more. So what you'll want to do is go to the admin console and under products, go to product groups. And by default here we're in the categories. Departments and manufacturers are right here under these links. So we'll stick with categories for now. Go ahead and click Create Category. And let's just create maybe like customer favorites. We'll save that. And you get to choose a few things here. You want to make sure it's published so people can see it. And if you need to put it underneath another category or create a hierarchy, you can do that here by choosing the parent. And then the page layout is what the category page actually looks like. So let's just save that and take a look. In fact, after you save your category, you're going to want to refresh the store so it shows up in your menus. So I will do that, and let's refresh this page. And we're going to go to more here because it's probably not the first product that's going to show up. It's alphabetical. So here it is, customer favorites. And I guess it did make the last one there in the list. So yeah, let's go to our category. And you can see there's not much to this. It's just empty. So let's fix that. You can add a description. Let's do that first. It's a HTML WYSIWYG editor here, so if you're familiar with HTML, you can work with HTML. Otherwise, you can just start typing into this editor. Alright, so let's just save that description, and we'll refresh the front end here. And you can see there's our description, but it's still empty, so let's actually add some products to it. Incidentally, if you want to change this message, you can go edit the empty category text topic if you want to get rid of that or change what that says. So over here on the products tab, you can set up products for this category. And if we had some products in here, they'd be showing up right now. But this tool is really nice. We can use show unmapped products and then just apply that. And so now we're looking at all the products in the site here. And you can kind of search through. So let's just grab a few products here. And we will save those. And just go to random page here and save a couple more. And just for good measure, I will reset the cache. And there we go. So now we've got some products showing up in our category. So yeah, that's the basics of adding categories. Let's talk a little bit about subcategories. So I'm going to go back to product groups, and I've got my customer favorites category. I'm going to go ahead and make that. Let's just make a subcategory of customer favorites. So let's create a new category. We'll call it favorite toys. And then just change that parent to be customer favorites. Okay, and then we're going to reset that cache again to make sure those show up. So now we've got a new link to favorite toys. And again, it's empty. But the nice thing there is you can set up some subcategories. And in fact, if you want to, you can show images for those subcategories. I just went to configuration, settings, and I think it's like subcat. We'll search for that. Yeah, show subcats in grid. This is a good option for some people. We'll turn that on. And refresh that cache. And if you do that, you get a little bit different display here. It lets you set up an icon if you want for your favorite toys for those subcategories. And obviously if I add more, they'll kind of stack across into a grid.